Uthuthuria wa ibinda uria ukoretwo ugiko wigimaini na ungumania rubonge-ini rwa uguri na wendia wa dawa na indo cia urigitani KEMSA thutha wa magana ma aruti ma wira gutumwo mucii iri rubonge rwa andu ethi NYS ni rwititwo kuthinga ithenya riu. Murugamiriri munene Matilda Sakwa akiuga uyu ni mubango wa ibinda metitwo amu guku tikuo kwa mbere kana gwa keri ni metago ona bonge-ini cia thirikari guteithiriria wira riria waingiba.
KEMSA still remains KEMSA. The National Youth Service is there to support some of the talents that they wanted in terms of ensuring that the capacity is built within KEMSA, to ensure that they restructure KEMSA, to ensure that they get the best out of whatever the program they are going on.
Sakwa augite kubeo mweke uyu ti kuga ati rubonge rwa NYS ni rwiyukitie KEMSA guku akimenereria aria marugiritanĩtie na ciĩko cia ungumania iria cianagweto, akiuga ungumania utabanagio ni mundu kiumbe no ti kiungano.
And I want to say National Service is not corrupt, it's individuals that are corrupt. So the institution is there and it's very strong. We have put in structures, and these young men and women are also given a chance to go and assist KEMSA to structure. And remember, when we go there as a National Service, we take their young men and women, they're also given some money to feed themselves.
Utongoria wa KEMSA ni watabanirie giikaro na andiki ma mohoro kiumia kithiru na ukiuga ati ni urabatara gwika mogaruruku mena urikiru niguo uthuthurie thogora munene wa aruti ma wira na mitaratara itiganite ya gutwarithia na mbere mibango ya KEMSA ya o muthenya tondu wagi wa mbeca wojetie maundu maingi.
These reforms will provide the foundation for achieving the big 4 health goals, including the realization of President Uhuru Kenyatta's much cherished UHC program. The board commits to provide progressive updates on the reform milestones.
Kwa ibinda ria thiku 30 riria maabitha ma NYS megukorwo KEMSA maratanyo kuruta mawira ma utereba, kuiga rekodi, ukarani na urangiri amu mitaratara ingi yothe no irathie na mbere o ta mutugo igiterebo ni urugamiriri wa KEMSA.
I'm 100% sure that NYS going to KEMSA will give a very big contribution and change to KEMSA. Having learnt our lessons also in the National Youth Service, we can also transfer that kind of knowledge to KEMSA. What is it we can do to ensure that an organization is well structured, an organization has structures that can be counted on, that are effective, that are strong. So I'm 100% sure that our going in 30 days will also assist KEMSA to restructure.
Ona gukiri uguo NYS yugite ikuruta mawira maya kuringana na mawatho na mitaratara ya wira o nginya riria KEMSA iribanga wega mirutire-ini yao ya wira. Maya mokite thutha wa magana ma aruti ma wira gutumwo mucii kwa ibinda ria thiku 30 undu uria utari uramenyekana kana no gukorwo na ubotekeku wa kubuta wira wa kimumu kuri aruti ma wira KEMSA. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njitagwo Masi, Wadia wa Muriithi.
Tusimame nyuma ya jukwaa tufanane na Madam Nyethera.